you, the soul, riding in the body, and your body, diva nature spirit, entrenched in a particular pattern. It might be pathology, fear pathology. It might be an unhealthy behavior. It might be pain. It might be suffering. It might be lack, financial struggle, inability to manifest that which you all desire. And so take a deep breath in, pull yourself into your line, and take a moment to think of one thing that you are aware of that your body is doing that is creating a dissonance, pain, suffering, distortion. Just one thing. It might be super tiny. It might be really big. And then as you get clear on that one thing, then take a moment and say, you soul rider, what is it that you are learning from your body having this experience and not shifting it? Why have you asked on some level your body to do what it's doing, to create what it's created? And I'm just taking a moment, inviting some energetic aspect of you, the soul, to ponder, why have I asked my body to do this? What am I trying to learn by my body holding this energy? And then invite your guides, your advisors, to sit with you in counsel, pondering how you, the soul, might have asked your body to show up in this way for you to learn something. And because you have conscious awareness, you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, work with your energetic fields of guides to retrieve that responsibility for whatever it is you are wanting to learn off your body. Free your body up from this. Be like, body, you know what? I'm going to get this in a different way, in a more empowered way, in a more connected way. I'm not going to use you to get this lesson, to attain this wisdom or mastery. I'm going to lift that off you. This is not for you to hold. And you, soul rider, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to retrieve it off your body. Let your body do whatever it's going to do for itself, but not in teaching you something at its deficit. And then you, soul rider, sit with your guides, your counsel in a higher realm, deeply pondering what it is you are after, you are wanting to attain more of in your own divine line, divine cosmic loop. And maybe every single day you're like, you know what? In some higher realm, I'm getting it. I'm figuring it out. I'm activating the desired positive harmonic vibration in my individual divine cosmic loop. I'm not going to use my body on that one. And breathe, balance, and stabilize. Update grids, balance the electrical and the magnetic energy in the craniosacral fluid. So if you get a little headache, that's an indicator that your body just increased its frequency because you just retrieved that responsibility for a journey, a lesson, a growth off of your body. It wasn't even your body's to hold. And your body now starts to move into a more harmonic vibration and create a different reality for itself that honors its wisdom, its mastery, its essence, its knowing, its connection to its divine self and nature kingdom. Breathe, balance, and stabilize. That was a pretty big vibrational shift. Take a moment to let it integrate.